Top 10 Crazy Facts About Mark Twain. Fact 1. Twain had a keen interest in science and technology. He was fascinated by new inventions and scientific discoveries of his time. Fact 2. Twain was one of the first authors to submit a typewritten manuscript to a publisher. He typed the manuscript for Life on the Mississippi. Fact 3. Mark Twain was a cat enthusiast. He had a particular fondness for cats, and at one point had as many as 19 cats in his household. Fact 4. Before becoming an author, Twain worked as a riverboat pilot on the Mississippi River. Fact 5. Twain's sense of adventure led him to travel extensively. His travel experiences greatly influenced his later writings. Fact 6. Twain was an avid billiards player and even wrote a book about the game titled A Tramp Abroad. He enjoyed playing billiards to relax and socialize. Fact 7. Twain was intrigued by various diet fads and health regimens of his time. He experimented with different diets, including one that involved abstaining from certain foods like meat. Fact 8. Twain had a love for fishing. He often spent time fishing in various locations, finding relaxation and inspiration in the peaceful activity. Fact 9. Twain had an interest in photography and was one of the early adopters of the medium. He was fascinated by the technological advancements in photography. Fact 10. Twain received numerous honors and awards during his lifetime, acknowledging his contributions to literature and society. For more daily facts videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.